Well, here's where I got my document date stamped. And this motion's filed in notice of appeal. And, something's got to happen. Something has definitely got to happen. They used to have all these gates opened all the time out to Lafayette Park, but it looks like, yeah. I'm just walking around looking. I'm looking over at the Capitol, or White House rather. I have to go out immediately. Okay. Okie doke.
Thank you.
So, see, now they don't even want me on the grounds. This is all public area. So, you got to get the hell out of the building, sir. You're not allowed to use second-class citizen George McDermott. Get the hell out of our building. We're standing up for the rights and liberties of my fellow citizens. So, I just wish people like Colbert would actually stand up and take Donald Trump and CBS to task for stealing his $50 million business and putting all of his employees out of work. That's nothing more than extortion and racketeering 101. The mafia couldn't do a better job if they tried. He's ruining this country. He's ruining our nation. He's ruining nations around the world. He's committed wars upon wars without authorization from the Congress or the Senate. And everybody stands by in silence. Well, I'm not going to be silent. You want to fight Donald John Trump? And this case is about Donald John Trump is the lead defendant in this case as the CEO of the Corporation of the United States. And as a CEO, he's supposed to make sure that I didn't have my property stolen from me or any of his predecessors. He's supposed to make sure that the courts operate in accordance with the rule of law and the Constitution. But he and his Department of Justice, the FBI, Homeland Security, ICE, all of these are private individual agencies that they don't pay attention. That's why our courts don't work for anybody anymore. The government uses all of our resources to keep us out of court, folks. And the American Bar Association is the biggest beneficiary of this. That's the largest criminal monopoly in this world. And American Bar Association is also one of the defendants in this case. And 3 other cases in federal court. But yet not one of their lawyers will show up. Nobody will show up, and I've never met a government attorney in any case in 30 plus years. Not one government agent has shown up. I've never been able to visit an FBI office. One or two times I did with victims, but they wanted me out of the office so they could talk to them in private. And all these people lost over $700 million. Give me a break. I'm sick and tired. Now just yesterday I found out that my loan won't go through on my home, so I can pay off my cancer treatment bills and that of my wife's, and have some money to fix up my house and do what I need as a human being. I'm less than a human being. I'm less than a second-class citizen. I'm just a piece of cannon fodder caught in the crossfires of the AVA and its mafia organization. So This is George McDermott. This is the last report for today from the land of the scam and the home of the fraud, Washington, D.C. There's somewhere in the background there's the White House that our future dictator will be is demolishing now so he can make a mansion for himself. God bless everyone. Have a good day. This is the 12th day of March 2026.